City Mail is celebrating their 127th anniversary, and you get to celebrate too with a bucket of savings. That's right, the most anticipated sale of the year is totally back. Everything you could fit in a City Mail bucket with exclusions is 20% off. And also, in addition of celebrating 127 years, their anniversary is the release of a mini bucket. Check that out. This also 20% off. Let's see what else we could find. We all know City Mail is your favorite hardware and fixer-upper store, but did you know they're also the perfect place for your everyday essentials? I got a lot of hair. The drain in my sink is struggling, so I need some Drano. What else do we need? What else do we need? Okay. Definitely need some OxiClean, everything I need for the kitchen or for the living room to wipe the tables. And definitely, because it's been storming lately, some glass cleaner. Let's see what else we can find. And one of my favorite parts is the electrical section because they have cords that you never knew you actually needed. But it's here at City Mail. I mean, come check this out. They have a gigantic wall for extensions, like these wireless charging docks. I think these are great for your kitchen. You could charge your phone while you're cooking your meal. But also, if you're installing a large television, come on this side. They have everything you need to convert maybe an older TV to a new smart TV. And speaking of smart, which I bet you didn't even know, is that they even have smart doorbells and different security systems here at City Mail. So you can make your home, kind of transform it into a smart home also. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, there's always something in your home that could use a little bit of a touch-up. That's why I'm in the painting section. And I think this is also a perfect section to fill my mini bucket. Okay. Of course, we need some little rollers, maybe 1.5 inches. Just like that. An inch edger. These are perfect for oil-based paints. Let's get a 2.5 incher. Of course, you always got to use a little roller. 20% off. And it's hurricane season. This is actually personally one of my favorite things in my home. Damp Raid, it absorbs all that extra moisture. You could put it in your cabinet, your closet, to get all that extra moisture out. And gotta get the refill too. Guys, my bucket is getting heavy, but I still have all this space, so we gotta deal with all their pests. Definitely need to grab some of these Hoi Hoi roach traps. One of my favorite are these bug zappers. Let's see if that fits in too. And a mouse trap. You never know, never know. Get that one. We're getting there, but I need some gardening stuff. We're here in the gardening section. My uncle loves gardening. You know, might as well get him some seeds while it's 20% off. Get that one, a little kale, a little cucumber. Okay, maybe a little basil. I wonder how far we could get with our bucket of savings. It is mango season, so let's see. I think this counts. I mean, check out all these savings I fit in the bucket. So as a reminder, happening now until August 4th, everything you could fit into a City Mail bucket, you get 20% off. There are some exclusions, so make sure you check out City Mail website for all those details. But pretty much it's happening at all 8 stores across Oahu, so make sure you take advantage of it now. I definitely did.